It's an advanced non-surgical solution for skin resurfacing where patients are seeing incredible results. Here to tell us about Venus Viva is Valerie Rea, a Venus Viva specialist at Fresh Start Med Spa, along with Dennis Oyer, a Fresh Start patient. Good morning, you two. Great to see you.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Valerie, let me start with you, Dennis, before I ask you about your incredible story that you have with the results that you've seen. What about different skin tones? Who's a good candidate for this?
Actually, the beautiful thing about this treatment is it's for all skin types, any ethnicity. Most of the lasers these days, you kind of have to be careful with who you treat because you might get that post-inflammatory pigmentation.
Yes.
And with this, you don't have to worry about that. You can treat any skin type.
And we have some video that we want to show people. Tell me how this works.
Yeah, so this is actually an animation of the Viva, which is actually a fractional radio frequency technology. And as you can see, it makes tiny microscopic needle points into the dermis that actually causes your body to reproduce collagen at a faster pace.
Let's talk about the rapid recovery. What can patients expect?
Honestly, you will walk out of there maybe a little bit red, slightly swollen. The downtime is maybe 1 to 2 days. After that, you can resume your daily regimen and put on makeup within 24 hours.
Typically, how long does a session last?
It could be anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes.
Wow, so you're kind of in and out, and you're able to get this done. Dennis, you are a former bodybuilder.
Yes.
You had a couple of stretch marks.
On my shoulders, yes.
You underwent this procedure. Tell me about the results.
Well, I was a little reluctant at first to get it done. I really didn't know what to expect. I thought there was no remedy for the stretch marks. I've had them for years. And I got coerced into basically from a lady that I was dating to try the process. And I tried it, and I went through the numbing process that you go through and then the actual procedure. And literally within 3 to 4 days, I noticed a considerable difference between where I was and where I am right now. And I've only had one treatment, and supposedly I think you're supposed to have 3 or 4 treatments. So right. I'm a big fan of it.
And Valerie, I mean, so many women out there, I think when we're pregnant, we put all that lotion on trying to not get those stretch marks, but they still appear, or you lost weight. I mean, this really works in for both men and women.
It does. You know, when you gain weight, lose weight, do bodybuilding as yourself, or you gain weight during pregnancy, that fibrous tissue, sometimes it doesn't move as fast as when you're gaining that weight or that muscle mass, and that's when you end up with that tissue that actually stretches out. This is way more effective than treatments such as like microneedling or creams. They just can't get rid of it.
And just to show people the difference in these before and afters, tell me about these.
Yeah, so this is actually an abdomen of stretch marks. You know, post-baby, those stretch marks you can't get rid of. You can't get rid of with, like I said, creams and any of that thing.
So that's 4 treatments after.
Exactly.
And also on the face you can do this. Tell me about this.
Yeah, so this is actually somebody who did it more for skin laxity and fine lines and wrinkles to reproduce that collagen to create that more youthful look. So you can do this, you know, aside from stretch marks, acne scars and things like that, you can do it for age purposes as well.
Incredible results, again, both for men and women. Kind of everyone's a candidate.
Yes.
Really is.
Everybody.
And you have a special offer. You have a special offer for our viewers. Tell me about that.
So we're actually offering 25% off any Vivas package, or Venus Viva package, sorry. And, you know, if you want to go ahead and call us at 480-219-0088.
And like you said, Dennis, after one treatment, you saw the difference.
I saw a big difference. I really did. I'm a believer in it.
All right, well, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.
Thank
and if
you.
you want more details and to take advantage of Fresh Start Med Spa's offer, visit them online at freshstartmedspa.com or call the number you see right there on your screen.